morning, Lewisburg. I'm Maddie Reynolds.
And I'm Kerrigan Parker, and this is Patriot Vision for Wednesday, January 15th.
Last night, the atmosphere was electric and tension was high as our varsity wrestling team clinched the #1 seed position for the dual state competition this weekend. Here's Landon Traylor's pin from last night. This afternoon, the Patriot Bowlers head to Cleveland Central for a match. Good luck!
Esports is holding an interest meeting tomorrow in the library. If you currently play Super Smash Bros., Mario Kart, Madden, Street Fighter, Overwatch, or Rocket League, consider joining the esports team. If you can't make it tomorrow but are still interested, see Mr. McCandless or Clayton Smith for more information.
Continuing Winterfest this week, Student Council is collecting dimes today, tomorrow is quarters, and Friday is dollar bills. If Student Council reaches the goal, students can compete in a free dodgeball tournament.
Today's Winterfest theme is Superfan Day.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
Plan to dress up the rest of the week. Tomorrow is Decades Day. Freshmen dress 90s, sophomores dress 80s, juniors wear 2000s, and seniors wear 70s. Friday is Glow Wars and Pep Rally Day. If you are interested in participating in the Pep Rally games, scan the QR code on the screen now or on the daily slides. Mr. Atkins will reach out to you if you have been chosen.
Don't forget, Winterfest Dance tickets are being sold in the Commons during lunch. Each ticket costs $25. There are forms to fill out and get signed by your parents. If you are bringing a guest, there is a separate form to pick up and fill out. Don't wait until the last minute.
And finally, if you have a super score of 30 or higher on the ACT, you need to scan this QR code for your picture to be put on the wall. And seniors will be invited to lunch at Texas Day Brazil.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.
1, 2